Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations for the value of a and b. We are given a plus 2ab plus b equals 8. I want to find the values of a and b here. So let's consider the solution from here. So the given questions is a plus 2ab plus b equals 8. So A is the given question. So a and b are members of an integer. So that is, we divide it based on positive and the negative integer, including zeros. So let's try and multiply both sides by 2. So we have 2 into bracket of a plus 2ab plus b equals 8 multiplied by 2. And then when we try and expand this left hand side, we have 2a plus 4ab plus 2b equals 16. Then, so let's try and group this first and the second entry. We are given 2a plus 4ab, so we put this in parentheses, plus 2b equals 16. Then, so what you can factor out here is 2a. So by taking out 2a from here, when we divide this one by 2a, we have 1 plus, also when we divide this one by 2a, so we are given 2b plus, also a is 2b equals 16. Then in the next step, we have a as 1 plus 2b, and this is 2b here, which means we need 1 here just to make us factorize this easily. So by adding 1 to both sides, so here is 2a bracket 1 plus 2b. So we're adding 1, so that is 1 plus 2b. So everything equals 16 plus 1. So since we are adding 1 to both sides, then so at this bracket there is 1 here, which means we have to combine 2a plus 1 together and also combine 1 plus 2b. So we take 1 of 1 plus 2b. So since we have combined their coefficients already, so when we take this together, we have 1 plus 2a multiplying 1 plus 2b equals 17. So now we have something to work more on. So we need the value of a and the value of b here, provided that this equals 17. So let's try and look for the ways we can write 17. So the first way is we can say 17 multiplied by 1, and we can also say minus 17 multiplied by minus 1. So we already divided this one based on an integer, 17 multiplied by 1 and minus 17 multiplied by minus 1. So the whole of this thing gives us 17. So therefore, for the first case here, we let 1 plus 2a equals 17 and 1 plus 2b equals 1. So I supposed to have write 1 multiplied by 17. So but these two values, they interchanged each other, so which I'm going to be writing them later. So therefore, for case 1, we have 1 plus 2a equals 17, and we have 1 plus 2b equals 1. Alright, so definitely when we take 1 to other side, we have 2a equals 17 minus 1, and we have 2a equals 16. By dividing both sides by 2 here, we are going to have our a equals 8. And also by this, we have our 1 plus 2b equals 1. So by taking 1 to other side, we have 1 minus 1. 2b equals 1 minus 1. Then here we have 2b equals 0. Then our b here equals 0. So similarly, if I try to interchange this as 1 plus 2a equals 1 and 1 plus 2b equals 17, therefore our a here becomes 0 and b becomes 8. So a becomes 0 and b becomes 8. Then for the second case, which is the negative part, so we consider it as case 2. We are having 1 plus 2a equals minus 17, and we also have 1 plus 2b equals minus 1. So by solving this, we transfer 1 to other side. Here is 2a equals minus 17 minus 1. And for this, we have 2b equals minus 1 minus 1. Then by this, we have 2a equals minus 18. And we have 2b equals minus 2. So let's try and divide both sides by 2 from here. So by dividing both sides by 2, we are going to have our a here equals minus 9. And we divide both sides by 2 here, we have our b, which is minus 1. And similarly, when we consider 1 plus 2a equals minus 1 and 1 plus 2b equals minus 17, what we get here for a, we get a as minus 1 and we get b as minus 9. So therefore, we can just try and put the whole of these integers together in one place so that everything will be in normal. So therefore, we can just try and conclude that the value of a comma b for the first one, so this equals 8 0, and we also have another value of a and b, which we still have as 0 8, and again we have the value of a comma b, so which equals minus 9 minus 1, and we still have value of a and b, which equals minus 1 minus 9. So all these are the values of a and b to these questions, and we can just try and verify from one of these. So suppose we are given for the first case a plus 2ab plus b equals 8. So if our a here equals 0, our a is 8 and our b is 0. So I try and put it here. We are going to have 8 plus 2 times 8 times 0 plus 0 equals 8. So the whole of this becomes 0. So this shows that our 8 here equals 8. So this is valid. And if you have to check for the negative part of this, which is minus 9 and minus 1, so let's try and do that. Our a is now minus 9. So which means we have minus 9 plus 2 multiplied by minus 9 multiplied by minus 1. Then minus 1. So we want to check if this equals 8. And we'll expand this further. We have minus 9. So here is minus times minus, that is plus. Then 2 times, we have plus 2 times 9 minus 1. So we want to check if this equals 8. And by this, we have minus 9 here, minus 1. That is minus 10 plus 2 times 9, that is 18. So I want to check if this equals 8. And looking at this, minus 10 plus 18, that gives us 8. So 8 equals 8. So it shows that the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. When we check for the two integers for this. So here are the values that satisfy this problem. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. And if you are new here to this channel, if you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.